Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can create email templates in Brevo. So templates save time by reusing designs for multiple campaigns. The first thing that you will have to do once you've logged into your account is you will go to your left sidebar, which is right here, and then just go ahead and click marketing and look for templates. So just go ahead and click that. And once you're here, what you will have to do is click create template. And now that you're here, you will just have to fill out everything so that you will be able to actually do this. So anyway, what you will have to do is you will choose after this you will choose start from scratch or pre-made template if you do have that option. So yeah, basically all your saved templates are here, but if you want pre-built templates, then you will just have to click basic templates and you can just choose from these templates or ready to use. So you have a lot to choose from, so it really depends on you. So yeah, once you've chosen your desired template, just go ahead and click that. So, but if you want to create from scratch, you can also do that. So just go ahead and click create from scratch if you do want to. So you will choose the drag and drop edit option. And once you're here, what you will have to do is you will, of course, you will add your text, your images, your title, video, button, or whatever that you want. So it really depends on you what you want your template layout to be. So yeah, you have a lot of options that you can choose from. So yeah, that's basically just it. And when you're done with your template, once you're satisfied, you will just have to click preview and test if you want to see your template layout. But if you're satisfied already with that, you will just have to click save and quit. So yeah, that's basically how you do it, and I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.